Hello, welcome to Clim. Today we're going to show you how to adjust your video settings so it has the correct format to upload to TikTok, Reels, and more. If what you want is to edit it in After Effects. The first thing we need to do is adjust the composition. Press Ctrl+C to open it, or if not, go to the Composition tab and select Composition Settings. Here you go. Once here, to change the size, we need to swap the height and the width. Where it says 1920, put 1080, and where it says 1080, put 1920. Now we end up with this. To put the video in the correct position, we need to rotate it. You can use the rotation tool at the top, but it might be a bit tricky to get it just right. The easiest way is to open the video tab, open the tab that says transform, and change the rotation to 90 or -90, depending on how you recorded the video. Now we have the video ready to edit and upload to TikTok or Reels. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to leave us your comments if you have any questions, subscribe on either side, and keep watching our upcoming videos. Subscribe to Clim. We teach you,